Get casual, exploring informal writing contexts. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the world of informal writing, specifically focusing on various contexts where this style is commonly used. Whether you're texting a friend, jotting down a grocery list, or writing a personal diary entry, you're venturing into the realm of informal writing. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what informal writing is. Informal writing is a style of writing that is less structured and more conversational than its counterpart, formal writing. It's more like the way we speak in our daily lives, characterized by short sentences, contractions, colloquial language, idioms, and sometimes even slang. Now let's move on to the main course, the different contexts in which informal writing is used. Subsection 2.1. Personal correspondence. One of the most common examples is personal correspondence. This includes text messages, emails to friends, social media posts, and handwritten letters or notes to acquaintances. In these cases, we use an informal, conversational tone, as if we're speaking directly to the person. Subsection 2.2. Diaries and journals. Another prime example is diaries and journals. When we pen down our thoughts, feelings, and experiences, the writing is inherently informal and personal. Subsection 2.3. Creative writing. Creative writing like poetry, song lyrics, and some forms of storytelling also often use informal language to create a particular mood or convey the narrator's voice. Understanding and mastering informal writing is as important as learning formal writing. Informal writing allows us to communicate in a relaxed and casual way, especially in situations where a formal tone might come off as stuffy or overly complicated. It's an essential part of our daily communication, making language learning feel more natural and less like a school assignment. And that wraps up our discussion on the contexts where informal writing is commonly used. Remember, mastering the art of informal writing can boost your confidence and fluency in English. So, keep practicing, stay casual, and enjoy the process. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next English language learning adventure. Happy writing!